shadows to a prodigal drum, hopeful in the waiting for your grace to come. I know I don't deserve it, but I'll stay here all night long. Somewhere in the distance is a reason to care, a radical decision, anti-self-aware. Hold on to your seat and let the Spirit be your guide tonight. Weightless we drift, sometimes we dip down into the depths of our own doubt, but you know that there's some hope in this. Push the panic button, let go, and let God in. Racing down the highway in the dead of night, I got a destination, neither left or right. I'm chasing the big sunrise all across the great divide, ignoring every signpost all along the way, consequence and burdens in the light of day. Hold on to your seat and let the Spirit have its way. Weightless we drift, sometimes we dip down into the depths of our own doubt, but you know that there's some hope in this. Push the panic button, let go. Weightless we drift, sometimes we dip down into the depths of our own doubt, but you know that there's some hope in this. Push the panic button, let go, and let God in. Push the panic button. Push the panic button down. Push the panic button. Push the panic button down.